Wow! Thank you po. Wow! Isa na naman dito. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. I don't know what to say. I'm lost for words. I'm just so excited. I'm back here in Toronto. As some of you might know, I've done shows here a couple of times, and I was surprised that they brought us here after just 1 year. And still, marami pong taong dumalo. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Nag-enjoy kayo sa aming munting palabas. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Alright. Well, we have so many important friends here with us na kung di ko man kasabay lumaki, kasama ko sa showbiz, I'm sure a lot of you know yung mga nakatira na dito na dating artista sa atin. Pero I'd just like to make special mention of this one very special friend of mine, taga-Canada na. She's 5 months pregnant. I'm so happy for her and for her husband, of course, Mr. Chris Lina and Miss Nikki Valdez. Palakpakan natin, Mr. and Mrs. Lina. Guys, I'm so happy for you. Kahit hindi ko kayo nakikita. Finally, a blessing. Alright, and of course, another actress. Nandito rin nakatira. Dito actually siya base, pero